Top 5 Best Tonneau Cover for Toyota Tacoma. Number 5. Gator ETX Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed 135,605. The Gator ETX Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover is a practical and budget-friendly option for Toyota Tacoma owners. Constructed with industrial-grade vinyl and an aluminum frame, this roll-up cover provides a good balance between affordability and functionality. Installation is hassle-free with the Gator ETX, and the cover rolls up easily for quick bed access. The adjustable tension control allows users to fine-tune the tightness of the cover to prevent flapping during driving. The low-profile design enhances the aerodynamics of the truck. While it may not have the hard shell protection of some other models, the Gator ETX excels in providing a cost-effective solution for keeping your cargo secure and protected from the elements. It's a practical choice for truck owners with lighter usage requirements. Coming in number 4. YITAMOTOR FRP Hard Tri-Fold Truck Bed. YITAMOTOR offers a robust and stylish hard tri-fold tonneau cover designed for Toyota Tacoma trucks. Constructed with FRP, fiberglass reinforced polymer, panels, this cover provides excellent durability and resistance to impact and scratches. The YITAMOTOR Hard Tri-Fold cover is engineered for easy installation, and its sleek appearance complements the Tacoma's aesthetics. The panels are flush with the bed when folded, creating a low-profile look while also enhancing aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. This tonneau cover is equipped with weather-resistant rubber seals and a drainage system, ensuring that your cargo stays dry even in heavy rain. The secure locking system enhances the overall security of your truck bed, protecting valuable items from theft. Coming in number 3. Tyger Auto T3 Soft Tri-Fold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Tyger Auto T3 is another notable soft tri-fold tonneau cover compatible with Toyota Tacoma trucks. It features a sleek design with a dual-coated 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl top, providing both durability and a stylish appearance. Installation of the Tyger Auto T3 is straightforward, with no drilling required. The pre-assembled horizontal crossbars contribute to the cover's stability, preventing sagging and ensuring a tight fit. The quick-release clamps allow for easy and quick removal when full bed access is needed. The cover's weather-tight sealing and Velcro strips further enhance its ability to protect your cargo from the elements. Additionally, the Tyger Auto T3 comes with a limited lifetime warranty, adding an extra layer of confidence for potential buyers. Coming in number 2. oEdRo Soft Tri-Fold Truck Bed 2016 to 2023. For those seeking a reliable soft tri-fold tonneau cover, the oEdRo model is an excellent choice for Toyota Tacoma models from 2016 to 2023. Constructed with tear-resistant double-sided vinyl and aluminum crossbars, this cover strikes a balance between durability and flexibility. The oEdRo tonneau cover features a user-friendly design with easy installation and removal, making it a practical choice for truck owners who frequently switch between covered and uncovered bed configurations. The tri-fold mechanism allows for quick access to the bed without having to remove the entire cover. This cover is engineered to withstand harsh weather conditions, ensuring that your cargo remains protected from rain, snow, and UV rays. The adjustable tension system keeps the cover taut, preventing flapping during high-speed drives. Coming in number 1. BAKFlip MX4 Hard Folding Truck Bed. The BAKFlip MX4 is a top-tier hard-folding tonneau cover designed for the Toyota Tacoma. It boasts an aluminum matte finish on the top, providing both durability and a sleek appearance. The cover is built with heavy-duty panels that can support up to 400 pounds of evenly distributed weight on top, making it practical for carrying additional gear. One of the standout features of the BAKFlip MX4 is its ability to be folded in multiple ways, allowing for versatile bed access. Whether you need full bed access, partial access, or complete coverage, the MX4 provides flexibility to meet your specific needs. The integrated prop rods secure the cover in the folded position, ensuring stability during transportation. The weather-resistant design and advanced sealing technology protect your cargo from the elements, keeping it dry and secure in various weather conditions. Installation is relatively straightforward, and the cover fits the Toyota Tacoma bed precisely.